Latest on transfer news. Amathema amaningi athenga yabe yakhe team iyathenga na. Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So namhlanje ngizoqala ngani na? Ngizoqala ngeteam eyawina iBetway Premiership last season okuyina okuyi-Orlando Pirates. Kuthiwa ke i-Orlando Pirates i-close ukuthi ke ithole i-signing yo-goalkeeper omusha okuba na okuDublin Boone. Remember i-Orlando Pirates esathana kurelease u-goalkeeper imdayisela isikhukhune United okumele uSibuthelezi. Njengoba umdayisile umele uSibuthelezi, they need a replacement goalkeeper, and yena uDublin Boone oqhamuka le kwi-country yabanina ya Andre de Jong kubukeka ngawuthi ke uyena uzobe i-replacement yakhe uButhelezi lapha kwezimnyama. Orlando Pirates ke bafethu angifuni ukuyidoubt kakhulu. It looks like bayakwazi abakwenzayo when it comes to ama-signing. I haven't seen this player playing ama-games abalulekile or ama-games big for iSteelers, but ke it looks like i-technical team ekhona lapha ku-Orlando Pirates iyakwazi ekwenzayo. Lethoba umjida mefika lapha uzokwazi ke abangisane nabadlali abakhona. Kwezinye indaba eziphumile ngisakusona nje iSteelers. Kuthiwa ke iKruger United are set to sign umdlali wanina, umdlali weSteelers okuWonderboy Makhubu. Kade bazomsigna on a loan deal. Ngeke bamsign on a permanent, bazomsigna on a loan. Remember uWonderboy, he was one of those players ababedlala kahle kakhulu last season. Not last season, ngale ya season for iMagis. Yabo kodwa ke last season akadlalanga kakhulu kahle ngosikhathi ejoine yona iSteelers. iKruger United ifuna ukumsigna on a loan from yona iSteelers. Kwezinye indaba eziphumile kuthiwa ke iChippa United iyalida race yokusayina ubani na Ibrahim Barnes. Remember yesterday I did a video regarding yena Ibrahim Barnes, ngasho ukuthi ke umjida free ukuthi ke angasayina noma yipi i-team ekhona la kwiBetway Premiership after ke ehambile wayolwa enkantolo with i-club yakhe okuyiMarumo Gallants ukuthi ke abafuna ukuthi ke bamdedele mahala kanjalo. Naku ke sebemdedela right now umjida ke sengasayina noma yipi i-team ekhona kwiBetway, and ke iChippa United they are leading the race. Njoba nje i-leader iChippa United ikhona isikhukhune and ke neKaizer Chiefs nayo kuthiwa ke ikhona iyabukela lento eyenzakalayo. Uma ke iChippa United isi-offerile i-contract, i-agent yakhe umjidi uzobeke isibheka ama-contracts eKaizer Chiefs nama-contracts anina aso isikhukhune mase ke iyamajarisha ikhulume nayo umdlali imchazisele kahle ukuthi ke ingabe ukhetha kuphi. Zezindaba eziphumile ke namhlanje kuthiwa ke iSteelers sesi-announce umdlali obekade edlalela iDDC yeKaizer Chiefs okuba na okuHopolang Thaunyana. Angikwazi ukulipronounce kahle lela gama, ngangitshela ama-comments ulipronounce kanjani. Ngiyathanda impela ukuthi ke ngiwapronounce kahle lamagama lawo. Lo mdlali lo ubedlalela iDDC yeKaizer Chiefs, but ke iSteelers sikwazile ukuthi ke simsign on a permanent transfer. Yabo, it is a worrying thing to see Kaizer Chiefs idedela kalula kanje ama-talent awo. Ke lento le ayiqali kwenzeka, seke yenzeka before. Yabo isazoqhubeka futhi ke yenzeke if iKaizer Chiefs ingekho careful with italent elayo. Kubalekile ukuthi ke uligcine italent lakho, but ke selling these players, it's a good thing, to be honest. Yabo ungakhulumi kakhulu ngisho ukuthi ke akukho kuhle, but they are those talents ongaveli wadedele nje kalula. Yabo, so ukumdayisa kwakhe umjida le top uzofike adlale kahle kwiSteelers, but ke ukwa-release lama players ahambe on a free bengasiyona into enhle yayenziwe iKaizer Chiefs. So ndamane bahamba mahala, uPuso Disejane bahamba mahala. Yabo, so izinto ezikanjalo kumele bagweme ukwenza lokho, bazama ukubadayisa labafana. I think it's a nice move. Yabo, ngase ngikhuluma iphutha, it's a nice move ukuthi ke bamdayisile because it will boost their revenue. Maybe ke the boy was part of it deal yakho la ngelihle phili, maybe we don't know, but ke it's a good thing for iKaizer Chiefs ukuthi ke bakwazile ukuthi bamdayise umfana omncane oqhamuka kuyona iDDC. Let's hope other players will get an opportunity to get promoted to fight for a position to be the starter lapha kwiKaizer Chiefs, just like Orlando Pirates. But maybe Kaizer Chiefs they are doing something different from Orlando Pirates. Kuzezindaba nje ngisakusona iSteelers kuthiwa ke iSteelers they are set to sign ugoalkeeper waseGhana okuba na okuSolomon Agbasi. Solomon Agbasi was playing for iHearts of Oak. Lo goalkeeper lo nje udlalela iHearts of Oak ngenzeka abe potential replacement yakhe lo goalkeeper lo ufunwa iOrlando Pirates. If ke kwenzeka bemsigna lo goalkeeper lo, so kuzoba clear kuthina sonke ukuthi ke lo goalkeeper lo ofunwa iOrlando Pirates uzosayinwa iOrlando Pirates, because if they want to sign a Ghanaian goalkeeper, I think it's clear to all of us that Orlando Pirates might actually get that signing. Yabo, so Orlando Pirates ibona ngathi ke isazoba nzima impela kule Betway Premiership le. Yabo, let's hope that deal gets closed soon, because iwindi nje lisengavalwa nje ngekudala. Yabo, le nyanga le inyanga yokugcina. Izindaba eziphumile bafethu, the former Orlando Pirates winger uRonaldo Maman, he has been spotted training with i-University of Pretoria Amatex. The player, 26 years old, umjida currently ubedlalela iSikhukhune United, but ke iSikhukhune United besimlonile kwiDurban City, wabuya kuyona iDurban City, buyela kwiSikhukhune. iSikhukhune ke sasaseyiterminate contract yakhe. Currently umjida uyi-free agent and ke he is currently training with Amatex. Let's hope Amatex azombona kahle umjida ke mase beyamsayina as a new player, because 26 years old la kwi-PSL, I think iminyaka isamncane kakhulu, asakhona amathima asengambona awadlalele kuyona iPSL. Kwizizindaba eziphumile bafethu, another Hope FC deal ngenzeka bafethu ukuthi ke iHope FC isayine umdlali obedlalela eCape Town City okubani na, okuTahir Goedeman. Tahir Goedeman, he was a midfielder obedlalela yona inina iCape Town City. Umjida ubekwi-loan to iDurban City kule season lesiphuma kuyona from iCape Town City, kodwa ke kubuya ngathi ke iCape Town City idecide ukuthi ke imdedele umjida, and iHope FC they are going to sign this player, because I know i-method abayisebenzisayo, they are signing each and every player oqhamuka khona eWestern Cape, each and every player kahle kahle oqhamuka khona eCape Town. It seems like i-method yabo izobasebenzela, asingesazi, but ke I like lento abayenzayo bafethu, they are creating i-foundation e-right kakhulu for i-team yabo, yabo badlalisa abadlali abaningi abaqhamuka khona le eManda City eCape Town, yabo. Izindaba eziphumile ngisakuyona nje iWestern Cape, kuthiwa ke uJaden Valentine, umdlali obedlalela iHope FC, kuthiwa ke uzosayinwa amaZulu, uzomsayina for inina, bazomsayina for iDDC, uzoba ugoalkeeper weDDC wamaZulu. Let's hope umjida uzofike adlale kahle kuwona amaZulu. Kwizindaba eziphumile bafethu, remember yesterday I did a video regarding uMcedi Vandala, ngasho ukuthi ke useyijoyinile inina, usesijoyinile iSikhukhune, umjida usebuyile kwi-loan from iMagesi. Khulumile ke nabeyindaba atazwana wathi ke akafuni ukugxila kakhulu kule ndaba le yaMcedi Vandala, because very controversial indaba yakhe. Umjida mengizwa kuthiwa ke umjida he was loaned by inina iSikhukhune United to iMagesi. Allegedly kwi-contract yakhe umjida phela i-contract yakhe nje wabemlona nje, bebemlona wokugcina, after i-loan ubezoba i-free agent. Kodwa ke allegedly iSikhukhune besifake i-clause, angifuni ukuthi ke into le ekhona, allegedly besifake i-clause ukuthi ke ba renewe uma isiphelile i-contract. So amaZulu, when they entered the situation, amaZulu, they entered and they found a player and they announced the players their new player, yabo. When Sekhukhune United saw that, they were like, no, how can you announce a player without informing us? This is our player, so we want our player back or pay the money. amaZulu, they release the player. Actually understand amaZulu, you cannot just pay imali for umdlali obe free agent, yabo. So they decided to release the player and he was announced as umdlali weSikhukhune izolo when I did a video. Zezindaba eziphumile bafethu ke umdlali wayedlalela iKaizer Chiefs nesiwelele nesitelizi okubani na kuGaugelo Segota, umjida ke kuthiwa ke usethole iclub ke le ngenzeka imsayine ngekudala nje, iclub yase-Egypt ebizwa Petrojet SC, iclub ke le edlala kwi-league yase-Egypt edlala no-Al Ahly no-Pyramids. Le top umjida njobe yakhona nje uzofike adlale kahle uma seyali. Ezinye futhi zeyindaba eziphumile kuthiwa ke uSafa usekhiphe u100 million kwimali engango200 million, yabo. Kule ngxenye le ya218 ukhiphe u100 million ukuthi ke uyofanda ibhola la eSouth Africa, yabo. Abanye abantu bangasho ukuthi ke into enhle le eyenziwe uSafa, and ke ngiyambona uDanny Jordan ufuna ke uyisebenzisa lento lokuthi ke akwazi ukuthi ke amavoti aye kuyena kakhulu. Kodwa ke ingabe iVAR yona ithini? Mina ngokubona kwami, if serious ukuthi ke abe upresident, kumele ngabe uthatha le mali le ayifaka kwiVAR.